you saw the title. Hey, you little monkey. Okay, so Russian roulette wasn't working. Back. Oh, it's sad music. Oh, what the? Oh, hi. Hi, monkey. I won't be needing this flat. Oh, we're so fast!
For emergency purposes only! Oh my god! I don't need emergency purposes only!
Oh, we're so fast.
Dance! Come on, bro. Oh my god! What the shit, man? Drop the beat, drop the beat. There's that thing.
Oh god, oh god!
What did I do wrong? I don't know, maybe. What did I do wrong, Yoshi?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh god! Oh god!
What? Squishy, squishy, fishy, fishy. No, that thing is terrifying. I know that is so terrifying. Oh my gosh. Just go without me.
Oh my god!
Yo, it's dreamy. Slide. What the heck?
You can slide?
Run.
How do you slide?
So look, watch. Hold up.
Kurt, we're so fast!
Talk about run!
What the Sigma? Oh! There was a guy there, I swear. I'm not crazy.
Are you okay?
There was a guy there, I'm
I'm
not crazy, he was here.
Sir, this is the drug protocol.
Run! Go! Oh no, it's Bob the Builder! Oh god! What the Sigma? He's coming! Bro, I had to juke them so hard. Oh.
Yes, they do.
Oh my!
Is it scary? No, it's not scary. Just a red screen.
Monkey.
Yeah, it's just like
Guys.
left and right in your face.
There's no need to fear. Oh crap! There's a reason to fear.
Take them. Come on, don't be a scaredy cat. Oh, what was that?
Oh, Bob the Builder. I think it's worth the risk.
You guys, I think you decide you.
Oh, I think I hit the wall too hard.
Guys, can somebody play Monkey Marathon with me? Oh, guys, go. I need a partner to go with. Where are you? Me. I'm in the bathroom right now.
Wow! Oh my. Juke him out! Juke him out, Green!
Blue, you want to be my partner? Oh no. Yeah.
Juke him out!
You want to play Monkey Marathon?
Juke him out, Green!
But we're camping! I have a gun! Follow me! I have a gun! Guys, raise your hand if you want to play Monkey Marathon. Up here. Okay, me. Follow me! We just can't die. Bernard, I have a gun.
Where did you get that? Oh my god! Quick, go this way! Just evade!
Over here, guys, over here.
It's just like evade!
It's kind of not fair to them.
Evade it!
Quick,
Get evaded!
Down here!
We play an evade with the boys.
We're gonna be playing the next spot. Just go. Book it. He's gonna do it. Go. Shoot him. Guys, book it. You better hurry. Monkey Run. Definitely not Monkey Run. That's those shadows. Monkey Marathon. Say Monkey Marathon when you finish. I fell out of the map. Monkey Marathon. Guys, make it serious. Run.
Oh my god! Let me...
Run. Yeah, you want to explore with me?
Guys, where's everybody?
I do. Where are you? My partner. Who's saying that? Because I'll explore whoever said that. How do you get that? I'm still alive, guys. I'm still alive. Where are you?
Oh crap!
I'm still alive.
Oh hi, sir.
Monkey Marathon! Guys, where are you? Run! Are you ready? Run! Come on! Run! Monkey Marathon! I don't want to run, guys! Party! Run! Run! Go run! Get in the bed, quick! Yo, you want to be my partner? Oh my freaking god. Ben, you want to be my partner? Down here! Just go! Come with me. Yes, I'll be your partner. I'll be your partner. Yo, you want to be my partner? Over here! I'll be your partner. Monkey space. I should really Little Timmy is going
horrible. Yeah, that was horrid. So much running. Ow. What is this, The Shining? Oh, maybe I better not be guessing things.
Yellow, blue.
I would like to enable the flashing lights.
It stopped. I stopped it. What do I do now?
Okay, I don't really care anymore.
What do I do in this? Get up. What do I do in this? Get up on something.
Bro, this
Stay up.
isn't even horror.
Oh, is that there? What the
How do they call this a horror mode?
Can I kill him?
Oh crap! There's a...
How do I kill him?
Where am I? Claustrophobia? Oh God. Oh my God! Oh!
Yo, dude.
It's fears.
Yo.
Where am I? What do I do? Oh. Heck nah. 2. Where's 1? Where's 1? Ah! Where's 1? 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey guys!
What the heck?
Monkeys!
What is it? There's a
Call
nuke!
me monkeys.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wait, y'all
4.
monkeys are at somewhere else. Great.
Go! 5.
I died.
I stopped it.
Yo, guys, can someone come to spawn?
Oh.
I'm here. Hey, let's go.
My gosh. Oh my gosh, that was
Where's
serious.
this? How do I?
That was all that I
Where's the
saw.
exit? Exit?
Ooh, that was good.
Exit? Where is it?
Joe, where's he?
What the?
There's somebody chasing me.
Oh my!
Go.
Okay, go.
Go.
I'm stuck alone. Yeah, I can't look.
Do I light this on fire or something? Oh, what do I do?
Somebody teach me.
What do I do?
I just run. I just got murdered by a monster. My God. Can somebody,
Eee, what the heck, bro?
can you teach me? Can you teach me? Yeah.
What there is to do is run in circles.
The monster isn't that scary, but I just don't know how to play it. Yeah. Yo?
No!
So you just gotta run.
My.
Did anyone come back to spawn?
I deleted him.
Yo, do you know how to beat?
Let's go!
Because I'm new to this game. Can we go to Horde together?
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah.
Guys,
So,
yeah.
we need to move quickly.
Die!
Three, two, one. Alright, ready? Yeah, this one's pretty run.
Good thing that's over, geez. Oh, what's this?
That thing's behind you.
Go!
Wait, what the?
Right, it's
I
lagging!
wanna...
I feel faster. 3 people is better. It appears behind you.
What the?
That's one.
Well, this is the part where you just gotta 2, 1.
So blue,
I thought it was over.
Run. Oh, keep running in, Laura. Now I'm gonna show you this.
Oh. Okay, after having an absolutely traumatizing experience, I'm gonna play some Only Up. Hopefully this isn't
I'm J-Man, though.
frustrating.
Good. guys go.
Yep.
Let's attack 22.
Ah! I am traumatized.